Those words. Those words from the chief priest are not good at all. Yes, he spoke of foul play. But honestly, I can smell the venom of a snake beneath those words.
Okonkwo, we need to be careful. We cannot just act impulsively.
The branch of the tree that will not bend for the wind. Chances are that that branch will be broken by the wind. We must be very fragile. The same way we must be very rigid. We cannot allow them trample upon us as if we are ants. We cannot. I have not given up on myself because I see myself in the tomorrow. Any man who has given up on himself, there is nothing the world can do for him. The world cannot salvage the one who has given up on himself. And I am declaring myself a man of the future. They may have rejected me, but I have not rejected myself. And I am decreeing today, pouring this drink for the ancestors of my family to see me through. Whatever evil they plan against me will not see the light of day. I will always succeed, even when they feel they have trampled upon me. I refuse to be trampled upon. It shall be well with me on the market day. It shall be well with me on the market day. It shall be well with me on the market day. And it shall be well with me on the market day. Oh no, the Nibu.
Welcome, my brother. I can see it's a fruitful day.
Yes. All thanks to the gods. How was farming today?
We thank the gods. It's rainy season. My crops are doing well, but I am very tired.
I know you should. Let me go and prepare this grass cutter so we can enjoy.
One day more. It seems you know how very tired and hungry I am.
That is why I have to rush and prepare it so my brother can eat and have strength for more work.
Why can't you come back again? One day, don't worry. I promise tomorrow I'm going to prepare yam with vegetables.
Of course, I know what you can do. Yeah? Let me go and prepare this one.
This must be a very fresh palm
wine. Very strong. You see? It gladdens my heart that your crops are doing good. You really experience a good harvest this season.
You are right, my brother. The good mumanya kambal.
You need it.
If you are to move.
Yeah. Okaraka. Very strong palm wine.
Yeah. The gods have really been faithful. And I'm happy that you're not left out. Makonyebo. You are the greatest hunter in Omoche Maklan.
My brother, you always have a way of making me feel greater than I have ever imagined.
But that is because you're a great man. Our parents must be proud of us wherever they are.
Yes. They'll be very happy. We represent them.
Of course. This is the sweetest grass cutter I've ever eaten.
Like you don't prepare more good and delicious meal than I do.
I do, but Nkonyo also silikoto. Utoka diche.
Papa, the Ikoro sound that rose everyone up last night doesn't look like a good sign at all. Something bad must have happened.
Our kingdom does not have a king. What we have is Onyenze. That sign shows Onyenze has joined his ancestors.
That means Umuchima needs a new head.
Yes, of course. We need an union who will report back to us what happens at the palace of Ezo for Dike, the traditional ruler of our Gomba ancient kingdom.
On that note, I think the elders should convene and crown a new Onyenze immediately.
Yes, my daughter. I'm happy we're learning the traditions and customs of our people.
All thanks to you now, my father, the great son of Agu.
We all know what the sound of the Ikoro signifies when it beats at night. It means our great Iroko has fallen. Eche Omera, the Oyenze, has gone to meet with his ancestors, and we do not want to waste time before installing the next Oyenze.
We all know this. We have to consult the chief priest to know who is eligible to be the next Onyenze of Umuchima Kingdom.
You are right, but the problem is that this is the season the chief priest usually goes in for spiritual purification, and he won't be out until the harvest season is over. His reason is that he intercedes with the gods to favor us.
So what do we do now?
I would suggest we wait until he comes out so that he can consult the gods and tell us who the eligible Oyenze will be.
We all know that the only family that is eligible is Uzo's family. Why are we wasting time on this?
Are you wiser than the gods? As we have all decided, let us wait for the chief priest. When he comes out, he will be able to give us a clearer picture of who becomes the next Oyenze.
True, what you said is right. But then, we know it is Uzo's family that produces the next Onyenze. And Uzo has 2 sons. Why don't we choose among the sons? We know Onyinye's son, Afamefula, is the first son. And Onyinye is the first wife of Uzo. Let's go ahead and do what is right.
Will you shut up, Udoka? Why would you say a thing like that? And you know it is not the truth.
The problem with the truth is that no matter how you twist it, it will still remain the truth. You know what I'm talking about. So why are you trying to twist it? Let's do the right thing.
Do you see why I said we should wait for the chief priest? Whenever he comes out, he will be able to give us a clearer picture of who becomes the next Oyenze.
Why are we behaving as if we are new to customs and traditions? We should wait for the chief priest to come and give us the clear picture of who the Onyenze will be.
It's alright. I think that's what we should do.
I think I should leave here because there is nothing so important that you people are talking about. Wait for the chief priest.
Huh?
Wait for the chief priest.
So you are leaving.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Kenjika.
Leave them, let them.
Father, are you not joining other elders for the meeting about Nzeuku's death?
A bird that is already thrown out of its nest can no longer join the flock.
Father, what are you talking about? This is about our community. Yes.
You will not understand. Some wounds never get to heal. I have walked the path of men who rejected me. I am not going to join in their circle.
Father, maybe it's time to let go of...
Let go? Do you even know what you are talking about? Well, you were not there. Go find something to do for yourself. This does not concern you. Leave.
Kemefuna.
It seems like we slept more than we should.
After the delicious meal last night, who wouldn't sleep over?
But you cannot blame me. It was Afamefuna, the great hunter, that supplied the grass cutter used in preparing the delicious meal.
I pray the gods favors and grant us our heart desires.
Always representing.
Like our late father.
Right. I think we should start going before the sun comes out.
Yes. I'm already running late.
Let
us go.
My next life, I would always like to have a brother like you. Every other person in this village is envious of our brotherhood.
Why
They always wish to be like you and I. When your message got to me, I thought maybe something bad had happened to you because your son sounded so urgent and scary. I had to leave everything I was doing to be here.
That is how it should be. Because what is bigger than the leopard visited it.
How do you mean?
Ikemefula, you are about to lose your birthright.
My birthright? What birthright are you talking about?
Don't sit by the stream and allow soup burn your eyeballs. Get prepared because you are about to dance a strange music that you do not know.
Iche, you are still confusing me with your words. Please make it clearer to me.
Ikemefula, just take note and bear this in mind. The enemies you seek lives within you. So be careful.
The enemies that I seek lives within me. I don't understand.
After doesn't know the fight he's about to face. Living with an enemy whose intention is to take what belongs to him. I know Nkemjika wants his nephew to take over the leadership of Mochima so that he will become the head of the others. But that won't happen. He has always been my rival, even since we were younger. He will also be ahead of me in everything. This time around, he has failed because I won't let him. I will not let him.
It's obvious Uzo's offsprings are the ones to produce the next Onyeze of this great kingdom.
Okay. How did you know?
I overheard my father discussing it with my mother last night. It's fine.
Thank you.
So who do you think is going to be the Onyezi of Umochima among the brothers?
That is where the confusion lies.
Oh.
Sorry. Because he's usually the first son of any family that it falls on. But their case is different.
Different? How?
According to story, they were both born the same day at the same time.
Indeed. It's really going to be difficult. But what are the elders saying about it?
What else will they say? To consult the gods, because it's only the gods that can identify between the two brothers who is eligible.
But we all know that is not possible right now.
Of course it's not possible, because the chief priest is not present at the moment.
I strongly believe that one must have come out first before the other. So there must be a way out. Never to worry.
Sure.
There has to be a way out though, because we cannot have two Onyezes in this community.
And where is my own orange?
Ready.
Yeah. Finish the hair first.
Chere, my orange, let me lick.
Here.
Is that why you were telling us the story?
But your hair is really fine.
Thank you. Of course, I know she's very good at
I'm
it.
the best stylist.
Yeah, I don't know. This one that the whole elders are fighting about who will become the next Onyeze of Umuchima. I think Afumefule is the right choice.
Shut up! What do you know? Eh? If the elders want to fight, let them fight. If they want to kill themselves, let them kill themselves. Eh? Nobody, I said nobody will decide. If they want to fight, let them fight. It's not your concern. Nobody will decide. I said nobody will decide until Chief Priest returns. He's the one to decide who will be the next Onyeze of Umuchima. So go back to the kitchen and do something reasonable inside there. Shut up! Come on, leave here!
What does my mother's brother mean by saying that the enemy I seek is living within me? Who would that enemy be? My brother or who? Why will he just say words in parables? I am very confused right now. Should I discuss it with Afamefune to find out if he knows what the Che was trying to explain? I don't just know what to do.
Greetings, the great Afamefula, the great farmer of our town. The one that the gods has blessed with crops.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of Umuchima clan. How did you know my name?
Who does not know the great Ikemefuna? The one that the gods has blessed with so much talent.
I'm still surprised how you got to know everything about me, yet I know nothing about you.
Great people are not hidden. I'll run along for now. I'll see you some other time.
Okay.
Ikemefuna, the greatest of all the fathers in Umuchima. Where are you? Come out.
I want to discuss something very important with you. So please come. Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna. Has he gone out already? Is it not too early?
Ikemefuna.
Maybe he has gone to the farm. But it's too early.
Greetings.
Greetings.
I'm telling you the truth. I don't want this to skip you. This is your position as the first son of your father. Despite the fact that your mother was the second wife. Mazu Doka is doing everything possible to influence other elders to install your brother as the next Onyenze of Umuchiba. But I don't want that to happen. Sit up as a man. I know you are capable. You are man enough to face any challenges that may come your way.
Ichie, this is not a matter of being man enough. I am not just interested.
What do you mean that you are not interested? I don't understand. You want your brother to take away what rightly belongs to you? Is that what you want?
Ichie, what do you want me to do now?
Now you are talking. Not telling me that you are not interested. Now, I will start influencing other elders so that you have people on your side. I don't want to lose my position as the advisor to the Onyenze of Umuchima.
Oh, now I am understanding everything better. So because you want to be the head of the elders in council and the advisor to the Onyenze of Umuchima, you want me to start up a fight with my brother? Ichie, that is not going to happen. Ikemefu. Ichie, I am a farmer and I like how the gods have left me. I will not start up a fight with my brother. Never.
What has come over this boy? I must be the advisor to the audience of Fukuchi.
Go and fetch me after Mefu. Tell him to come here with you immediately, that it is very urgent.
Papa, how come he's a hunter? He must have gone into the forest by now.
Stop questioning what I'm saying. Go and fetch him. Tell him to leave whatever he's doing right now and come with you.
Okay, Papa.
Run! You are not running. Oh.
Amefuna must be here. It's very important.
Fine, come on. See me crazy. You're forcing me to do what I want to do. Who do I leave my family business for? I enjoy my family business. I farm my own needs. Fine. Just forcing me billionaires. What is this? What is the boy just be serious? They're just trying to kill me.
Ikem, my handsome man. Man I yearned for so much.
What are you doing here?
That's the welcome I should get from you. Please welcome me.
You are welcome. But remember, I've told you countless times that it can't work between us. You are like a sister to me.
Ikem, I'm not your sister. Neither are you my brother. We are meant for each other.
Please, can you stop? I have so many things on my head now and I'm not in a good mood. What are you here for?
My father sent me to call our farm. He said it's a matter of life and death and he should come immediately.
As you can see, my brother is not around. Please, you may leave now.
Ikem, not even a hug.
Onyinye? 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 How many times did I call you?
Ikem, my love. Can I come and join you inside?
Why can't I get my mind off this beautiful maiden? Why is she always on my mind? I couldn't even confront her to know her name. I am never afraid of any dreaded animal, but why am I afraid of a maiden? I cannot wait to see her. I won't fail to ask her name and whose family she's from. I can't wait to make her my bride. She's so beautiful and respectful. To add it all, hardworking. I pray the gods brings her my path today.
What is that for you?
I didn't meet him at home, but I delivered a message to Ikem.
What? Hi, how could you do that? Did I ask you to deliver the message to someone else?
But Ikem is his brother, that's why I told him everything.
Hi! It was so confidential. How could you do that?
You didn't tell me.
You are very stupid. Get out. Get out. Only think, what a mistake. The gods must not allow this to happen.
What is going on? Like seriously, what Uncle Kenjika said is the truth. But what are they fighting for? I'm not interested and I don't want it. If Afamefune is interested, I will kindly support him. But fighting him for the leadership, that won't be possible. Please take it easy.
Sorry, yeah?
Yeah. Earlier today, Onyinye, Mazudoka's daughter, she came looking for you. And from her tune, I believe it's very important.
Iche should know me by now that I don't joke with my business.
Of course. I know that whatever he wants to tell you is not new to me.
I don't understand.
Whatever he wants to tell you will not be different from what Iche and Kemjika told me. It is rumored that our family is to produce the next onions of Umochema after the death of the past one.
I'm not interested. If you are, I will give you my support.
One day more. I'm not interested either. I like my farm business. It gives me a good name and plenty calories. So, what do I need the onions stuff for?
Same as me. If that is why he wants to see me urgent, the answer to what he's seek is no.
Well,
not interested.
Same thing I told you, Kemjika. Lest I forget. I met one beautiful maiden today and I've not stopped thinking of her.
Same thing applicable to me. I cannot get my mind off a maiden I saw. I never knew we still have gorgeous and respectful maidens.
Of course we have, brother. We have.
We need to get married so we can start filling this compound with our own children.
Andemo,
you
are very right.
Very, very important.
You are very right. We have a very big compound that our kids should be playing on by now. You are right.
Why I call is that I've waited, but I can no longer wait. Remember, you are my sister's only child, Uzo's first wife. Traditionally, you and your brother is eligible to buy that seat of Onyense of Umuchima Kingdom. But if anybody is going to buy that seat, it is you and no one else.
What makes you think I'm interested in becoming a ruler in this kingdom? I'm a hunter. A strong one at that. All the animals in the forest runs for their life at the step of my feet. I do not need to be a leader. If I should, then I deserve to be the greatest hunter in the whole 7 villages that made up this clan.
Do not sit down and allow your brother to take away what rightfully belongs to you. I know his uncle wants him to become the onions of Ezechima kingdom. But I promise you that will never happen.
Please, I don't want to talk about this anymore. If the reason you want to see me is for me to be the next Onyenze of Umuchima, count me out. I am not interested.
Why are you talking like this? I cannot sit down and allow somebody to take your inheritance. Brave men are not known for cowardice.
Ichie, if that is all, I beg to take my leave. I have other things to do.
Go home and think about it.
See, leave that thing. Do you know what? We are going to go for rehearsals, our dance rehearsals. Trust me, I have a very fine.
Oh, thank you, friend. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait. Me first.
Which you first? Which one is wait? What are we waiting for? What am I waiting for? Nobody has heard anything concerning the installation of the new Onyenze.
Nkem, what do you want to hear? What exactly do you want to hear, Nkem?
The chief priest is still interceding with the gods. And every process has to wait until the harvest when he's back.
The question is, what happened to the laws and principles of this community? Who takes over now that there is no leader?
Who else if not the elders? Who else?
I keep wondering, how can 2 women give birth the same day and at the same time? That's impossible.
Mystery. Mysteries unfold. Something like this has never happened. I was very surprised when I heard it. But I'm very, very sure that the gods knew that a day like this would come. I'm very sure.
Of course. Our ways are different from the ways of the gods. I can't wait for that day to come.
I have something to tell you people.
What is that?
I have my eyes on Ikemefula.
Don't even go there. Don't even go there. Leave Ikem for me. You can go for a farm. I don't care.
So what if the gods choose Afamefula?
Oh!
I will still choose Ikem over Afam. So anybody that wants to go for Afam can go. Yes. Keep laughing.
Keep
I'll wait for more. Ify, I choose who the gods choose. If the gods choose Ikemefula, I will go for Ikem.
I have told you before. Don't even go for Ikem. Even if the gods choose him or not, go for Afam. Leave Ikem for me. Did you hear me?
Oh,
leave Ikem for me. Oh.
It's okay.
I'm not dreaming. I'm just being realistic.
Keep dreaming.
Ikem is for me. No one should even drag him with me.
Adezi.
My friend, this one is sweet. I'll do everything possible in this life to have Ikem all to myself. No other maiden can have him, and just me alone.
Why are you throwing yourself at this man? I know it's every woman's dream.
What? Point of correction. My Ikem is not every woman's dream. You get? He is mine alone. He belongs to me alone. My very own Ikem. Very soon, you will see how Ikem will love me so much. You'll be surprised. Just keep watching. I know that.
Onye, let me ask you. Do you really love this man? Or is it because he stands a chance of becoming the next Onyenze of Umuchima?
May the gods forbid. I have always loved Ikemefula a long time ago. He's my love, my strength, my heart, my everything. You're laughing, Abby. He belongs to me alone. Oh. You will see now. No other woman can have him.
Let me ask you, my friend. Does he feel the same way?
It's a gradual process. He will learn to love me. In fact, it's a must. He must learn to love me.
My friend, keep dreaming. Please, let's continue this thing.
Come and be going to your father's house. I'm dreaming. Come and be going. Go, please. What do you mean?
I told you. I know that was what he was going to say to you. I turned my uncle down completely. I'm not interested, and that is fine now.
You can trust me. I made it clear to him that I am not interested and nothing can change it.
They should select someone else. I am not interested.
Umuchima should look for someone from another family. We are not interested.
Our bond is very strong. Promise me this will not come between us.
With my life, Ikemefuna, I won't let it come between us.
That is my brother.
Never.
Never.
I am actually glad that you came. It's all right. I believe you can take care of things.
Are you not coming for the council meeting?
Ejike, the hunter who is aiming to shoot, does not make his presence known. He will always be hiding by the shadows, strategizing. Moreover, if I make my presence known, if I come out in the open, so many people will misunderstand that, and they will start saying that I want to use my influence. Don't look at me that way. You know exactly what I am saying. The wind that blows the strongest is not always the one that is seen. I intend to stay out of public space for now. Let others operate in the public. I will be trusting you to take care of things in my absence.
All right, let me go. But we will discuss this further later.
It's okay. I will be waiting.
This has taken longer than expected. How can this community continue to be without an audience? Do you know how long it will take the chief priest to finish his intercession with the gods?
This is not why we are here. So why are we here, if not for the installation of the next Onyenze? That's why we're here. We're all aware my sister is Uzo's first wife. And he has a son. So let's go ahead and crown him the Onyenze of the woman.
You can never stop talking nonsense. An elder like you should be vomiting nonsense from your mouth. I'm ashamed of you. I will never accept and allow this insult from you anymore. If you ever do it, this is what I will do to you.
It's okay. Do you now see why I said we should wait for the chief priest? I don't know why both of you seems to be in a hurry to go. If not for this, we wouldn't have been having this discussion. If not for the controversy surrounding the birth.
In the true sense of it, there is no controversy surrounding any person's birth. The truth is that Uzos has two sons. We choose from one, which is that from Efuna.
What do you want?
I know. Can't you feel that my heart beats for you alone? Why are you doing this to me?
I can't feel it. I can't see it and I'm not interested. We are families.
Again, we are not family. We are not. I know our family is your brother and my nephew, but you and I are not family and can never be family. My love, please.
Can you stop?
I can't live without you.
Please! Please, enough of this. Can you leave?
Ikem, I can't live
Onyinye,
without
can you leave before I do something stupid? Tom, leave. Onyinye, leave. Leave! Leave! Can you leave my compound now? I don't want to do something stupid. Leave!
Ikem, please.
Leave! What is all this? I'm not interested. Will you force yourself on me? Ha!
Only.
You're the only person that have said that to me.
Oh, you are?
Adora, no woman has stolen my heart the way you do.
And same here.
Then, it is a fulfillment of destiny.
Yes. Yes. My name is Adora, the only surviving daughter of Ichiem Bakwe. My both parents are late. I was trained by my grandmother, and she's the one that always sent me to the market.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, like you already know, I am Ikemefuna,
The
a
great
farmer. I have a brother. According to history, we were born on the same day. Yes, though not by the same mother, but he is very dear to me.
That's mysterious.
Of course, it is the will of the gods. Adora, I promise nothing will ever come between us.
And I promise you, same. No man, no woman will come between us.
You will be my love till the end of time.
I love you, King.
I can't resist everything about you.
Ah, beautiful maiden of this kingdom. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're not just beautiful, but hardworking. A beautiful maiden carrying water pots on her head.
Yeah. Greetings.
Greetings.
Thank you.
Sorry, can I help you?
No, don't
carry
worry. My heart is just here.
But it doesn't mean I can still help you.
Thank you. My heart is not far away from here. Thank you.
Okay. Can I talk to you?
Ichie, I have told you over and over again, I am not interested in becoming the Onyenze. I am a farmer, and a successful one at that. The gods have blessed me with a beautiful maiden that loves me dearly. What more can I ask for?
Ikemefula, you know what you are saying? Can you hear yourself? So you think you are a successful man?
What do you mean?
Without the offer of this clan, you are yet to be a successful man. Stand your ground. That is the most important thing.
Ichie, if that is the most important thing, then I do not belong to that.
Ikemefula, do not disappoint me. Do not disappoint me.
Ichie, you cannot force me to take what I do not want to take. I am not interested. I've been staring at you for a few seconds now, and you look worried. What is going on?
The thought of this beautiful maiden keeps disturbing my mind. I had to wait for her all day, but she didn't pass by.
So, what is the name of this maiden? Who is her father, so that we can at least pay them a visit?
That is the problem. I don't know her name, neither do I know her father.
So how do we locate her?
Confused.
Relax, my brother. I believe in destiny. If it is the will of the gods that she will be yours, she will definitely be yours. I have good news for you. I have found the love of my life.
I can't wait to see this beautiful maiden that stole the heart of my brother.
Of course. If you don't see her, who will? She will definitely come home soon.
This is wonderful.
Yes.
This is good.
Did you kill another grass cutter?
Enough.
Huh?
Let me show you.
Let me show you.
Alpha Mefle the Great Hunter. Hi! Alpha Mefle the Great Hunter. I promise you I'll prepare another delicious meal. Tomorrow we are not going to work.
Okonkwo, you know when the sun rises, it doesn't announce its arrival. But when the cock crows, it betrays the sun. Okonkwo, your anger is loud and clear. Or is it not time for us to strategize for the harvest?
Listen, Ejike. The wind will always claim responsibility for the falling of the tree. The truth of the matter is that the root of the tree betrayed that tree. If the root of the tree has not betrayed the tree, the wind cannot bring it down. We are weakened in our family because of the betrayal coming from those we trust. And there is no way I will play into their hands.
You know the river does not despise a small storm. It strengthens it. Okonkwo, I think it is time for us to strategize. It is time for us to welcome our legends to make sure that our family is strong.
Don't you understand that the cow that belongs to a man belongs to the man? The cow cannot belong to the community. Whoever becomes the Nzeuku does so for himself.
But what if the cow is a gift from the community? Will you reject it? Or what if your sister's son is the one to inherit the cow? Are you going to reject it?
Now listen to me. The chameleon says he is not going to change the dignified working ways of his fathers simply because the forest is on fire. I am not going to change who I am because of anyone.
Okonkwo, I've always been your eyes since the late Nze Ukwu was crowned. I've always given you information. I think it is time for us to bend, because they say bend. To bend is not a sign of weakness, but strength. It is time for us to bend to make sure our family is strengthened.
Nice seeing you again. I have dreamt of you today.
Really?
Yes. I have been praying to the gods to behold your beautiful face.
Why?
That is the point. Just to see you and get to know more about you.
What you want will not be possible. My heart belongs to someone else.
But wait! Who is that young man that is better than me? She said it to my face, and not just that, she walked out on me.
Relax, my brother. You know I won't be comfortable seeing my only brother feel this way. But there are so many other beautiful maidens in this village if she is truly taken. Though, I will advise that you won't give up, because she might just be trying to push you away with her words.
You think so?
Yes.
She sounded serious.
Most women are always like that. They want to see the extra effort you can put to win their hearts.
If I behold the man that took her heart away, trust me, he will return her heart to me because I am deeply in love.
Afamefune, my brother. So you want to fight your fellow man because of a maiden? That is not the best thing to do. No. Say something else. Though, I will advise that you shouldn't give up, because she might be trying to know the depth of the love you have for her. But not to fight your fellow man.
Ikemefuna, you have suddenly become a love doctor just because you fell in love a few days ago. Anyways, I am happy for you. And what is still keeping you from bringing her home? So I can at least see the woman that took the heart of my brother away.
That won't be a problem. She will be home anytime soon. But presently, we are talking about the woman that you are in love with. Don't give up on her, because persistency, they say, is the key to actualizing your goal.
Ikemefuna, you sound just like our late father, full of wisdom. I will always be proud of you. And nothing, I mean nothing, can come between us.
You've said that a million times, brother. And I have heard you. Thank you so much, brother. I think I should get a jar of palm wine so you can cool off this mood.
Please do.
You
hold me.
I know you like this special palm wine.
Afamefuna, the greatest hunter of Umuchima. Ha 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 ha. Okay. We'll see how it goes.
You are my trusted friend. You know what I'm capable of doing. Help me to achieve this goal. Speak to my nephew to take up the leadership of this kingdom. Both of us will work hand in hand with him. You have always been my friend. I can't dispute that. But for this, count me out. I can't help you. Please, my dear friend, just do it for me. I promise your labor will not be in vain. The mystery behind their birth is a sign that the gods have a reason for doing that. It is a mystery that can only be explained by the gods. We will not just walk hand in hand with him. But I promise, there will be a reward for you.
Stop it. Afamefula, stop it.
At least, tell me your name. Are you from this kingdom?
I want you to stop blocking my way now. Please.
The man you are in love with. Are you sure he loves you more than I do?
Yes. I have told you I have somebody in my life. Stop it.
Is he better than me?
Stop asking me that.
Wait.
You need to stop
Okay,
it.
tell me your name. Tell me your name at least. Please. Please.
You need to stop blocking my way, please.
I am not letting you go till you tell me your name.
Please, I need you to stop this.
Please talk to me.
I need you to stop this right now.
Please. At least tell me your name.
No!
Ha! Mwa ba Afamefuna na agụ ike.
Brother's hut. Yeah. Adora, the woman after my heart. Adora! Adora, wait! Adora!
Adora, wait. Adora, wait. Adora, wait, please. Wait. What is the problem?
You see, he's your brother.
Yes, he is Afamefuna, my only brother. The only family I have in this whole wide world.
That's the man that has been disturbing me all this while.
Are you the girl he has been telling me about? He told me about this beautiful maiden he fell in love with, and he has vowed to do everything possible to have her.
Promise me you won't leave me.
Never. I will never leave you. I love you so much, but I'm just confused.
Please don't be. I promise you I will never leave you. I love you.
I know you won't like to follow me home. But please, can I walk you home?
I love you so much, Adora. I love you, Adora. Nothing, not even my brother, will come between us. You are the love of my life.
Ikemefuna cannot have her. So he has been pretending all along, making me look stupid when he goes behind me to see her. No, it will never happen. Let him come back here and tell me what happened.
Afam Efune.
What do you want?
Sorry for bothering you, but we need to talk.
I'm all ears.
Adora told me everything.
So?
I never knew she was referring to me when she said she was in love with someone else.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to support my affair with her. The gods will give you someone else that will love you.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, I'll go back inside.
I don't understand. Does it mean I'm not making sense?
Ask yourself that question.
Ikemefuna, I came to see you under this rain and you're walking out on me. Ikemefuna! Afam. So you want a woman to come between us? It's no problem.
I am ready to be the next Tonyenze of Umuchima. Present me to the elders. Let them install me.
Done.
Afam. Afam. I've been looking for you. Where did you go this early?
Do I need to take permission from you before leaving my hut?
I don't understand. Why are you being harsh to me? What have I done wrong?
Listen, if you want us to go back to the way we used to be, then let me have her.
I don't understand.
You don't need to understand. Remember you promised to help me get her from anyone she's with. Now she's in your hand. Give her back to me.
That is not possible. Ask me for anything else and I'll do it.
Then you are not ready.
Afam, I didn't take her from you. She chose me.
What are we even saying? What? The fact that Afamefula declared his interest to be the onions of this clan doesn't give us a go-ahead to install him.
You lie.
No!
You lie! Afamefuna is the son of Uzo. And he has declared himself. Besides, his mother is the first wife of Uzo. What are we still waiting for? Let's crown him and declare him the winner.
Your sister is the first wife of Uzo. Doesn't mean that Afamefula has automatically become the first son. No! I disagree with you.
You lie.
I disagree with you.
Even if Afamefula have declared his interest, we cannot just go ahead and install him without the permission of the chief priest.
You are right. Let's wait for the chief priest.
Oh, yes.
What are you talking about? What are you really talking about? It's like you are not supporting. So you shift. Meaning the right thing should be done after Mefula has declared, and he should be given the position.
What right thing are you talking about? What right thing? He is not the first son of Uzo. Know that.
Be careful.
Know that into that your skull head. He's not the first son.
You know you are my friend. And this is what I can do for you, assuming you are in my shoes.
You know it's not possible. It has never been done in the 7 villages that made up this kingdom that Onyenze will be installed without proper confirmation and consultation. You know that. Not to talk of your nephew with his complex matter.
What is so complex about this issue?
Oh, you need me to remind you what you already know. Even if Afamefuna declares interest, you know he can never be installed.
Why?
You know his matter is complex.
This issue of complexity is becoming a problem. I don't understand. Afamefula has declared himself to be installed. In spite of all this thing, why don't we now install him as the next Onyenze of the kingdom?
Is it because Ikemefuna has not declared interest? Why Afamefuna has declared interest? Even at that, we still need to consult the Ezemo for clarity.
You know you are my friend. Have you forgotten?
I have not forgotten. You're my friend, I know that.
What is going on? Like seriously, what Uncle Kenjika said is the truth. But what are they fighting for? I'm not interested and I don't want it. If Afamefuna is interested, I will kindly support him. But fighting him for the leadership, that won't be possible.
What troubles my father? Ichie Udoka, my father, the son of Agu, a man of goodwill. What could be making you so uncomfortable?
Ikemefuna and his uncle want to take over the leadership of this kingdom. But I will not allow that.
Father, Ikem is innocent in his heart. He's the man my heart yearns for.
How dare you? Ikemefuna is my enemy and he will remain my enemy.
Papa, I'm not in support of any evil against anyone. But if it's Ikemefuna, then you definitely become the in-law of the next Onyeze.
What? What did you just say? Get out! Get out! Ikemefuna has eaten her heart. It will never happen in my own house. Doka's house.
I know, my love.
Wonderful! My only blood brother.
Ikemefuna, keep that blood greetings to yourself. Ikemefuna, I am not your blood.
Afamefuna, what is wrong with you? Stop this.
He knows our agreement. Let him do it.
Ahamefune, I have made it clear to you that I will never leave Adora for anybody.
Then you are not ready for peace.
Let's go.
Ikemefuna, the earlier you accept this, the better for us in this village.
Papa, one name. You know I can't lie to you. I never knew she was the maiden you were talking about.
But I told you something about her.
One Nemo, you are making this more difficult for me. I love Adora, and I can't let her go.
Ichenu Ifoku, did you hear what he said? He said he cannot let her go for his brother.
An elder brother at that.
I won't take it from you. He is not his elder brother.
What do you know? My sister was Uzo's first wife, and everybody knows about it.
It doesn't justify that at all. It is only the gods that can identify who is older.
I don't care about that. All I ask of Ikemefuna is to do the right thing. He should do the needful.
I'm sorry, one Nemo. I love Adora, and I can't trade the love I have for her for anything in this world.
So what you are trying to say is that you love her more than our family's happiness. Or if you're not Chekowa?
I don't, but she means so much to me.
If it is his choice, let him go ahead and love the woman of his dreams.
Oh yes, I know you will support him. I know. But very soon, you know who will regret it. I tell my boy, let us go.
Forget this matter. Let's go. What are you saying? If it is your choice, you love her, you go ahead.
I did not do anything.
He has nothing. He has not done anything. Huh?
Why must it be the same girl?
Don't bother yourself.
I never believed that my brother would betray me to the extent of taking my woman.
That's why I said you should stand your ground.
How do you mean by standing my ground?
Declare interest to the general public and the elders. Then I'll start from there and kick it off.
Is that all I should do?
Yes. Already I have told them in your absence. But it is you who will let them know of your interest, Mr. Maran.
If that is all, I will do it.
Good.
I will do it.
That's very important. Let him take Adora. That's not our priority right now. Our priority is for you to become the Onyenze of Umuchima Kingdom. And by the time you become the Onyenze of Umuchima Kingdom, all those maidens he's trying to put by side, they will throw themselves on you. So you are helpful.
Okay.
You understand?
Give me for now.
Others of Umuchima, my nephew here has something to tell you.
Go ahead, Afamefuna. We are all ears.
I, Afamefuna, the son of Uzo, is interested in becoming the next Onyenze of Omuchima clan.
And he is qualified. He is eligible.
Elders of our clan, I am in support of my brother's decision. As a son of Ozo, he is eligible.
I'm sorry, Ikemefula. The controversy surrounding your birth will not allow us make him a leader over Umuchima just like that.
Tell them, I don't know what has come over my nephew.
You wouldn't know, but he is saying the truth. Besides, there is no controversy in this issue.
Mazi Udoka is right. Since Ikemefula said he is no longer interested, why not we give it over to Ahamefuna?
Thank you so much, Mazu Duma. I so much appreciate what you just said. Please, let us make my brother Afamefuna the next Onyenze of Omuchima clan, so that peace and harmony can be restored to our clan.
In that case, we have to wait for the chief priest to come out.
That's the thing. That's the whole thing.
Now that he has declared his intentions, we cannot just go ahead and install him just like that.
That's the whole thing.
Let us wait for the chief priest.
Hey, give me flat. Don't go into that. What was the meaning of that embarrassment you did there? Was that the reason we went for that meeting?
Ichie, I do not care what you have in mind. I have just told the elders my mind. I am not interested in becoming the Onyenze, and that is final.
Ikemefula, you have disappointed me.
Ichie, if declaring my interest negatively and allowing my brother Afamefune to become the next Onyenze of Omuchima hurts you or cost you an embarrassment, I am sorry, but my mind is made up.
How I wish my sister was alive to see the weakling her son has become. Ikemefuna, I am ashamed of you. Nonsense.
Ichie, I don't need it. And that is final. You cannot force me to take what I don't want. Ah!
Greetings, Iche. Emeka, where is your father?
My father is behind the hut.
Get him for me.
How are you doing today?
I am good.
Good.
It is time. Afamefuna has finally agreed to become the Onyenze.
Are you serious?
Yes.
This calls for celebration. Emeka! Emeka!
Yes, father.
Come!
get me one keg of palm wine that is at the back there. It is time to celebrate. And bring us something to sit down. Bring us something to sit down. Are you serious?
Yes.
Be fast.
Wine kakalaka.
General Diego.
Very strong.
I'm super excited. Ikemefuna is brave. He knows the truth and stood by it.
What truth is that?
But you are Uzo's first son, and you deserve to be the leader.
He does not have any other option. What's next?
Your coronation will be announced soon. That is after the next council meeting.
At least I am not losing completely.
We are not losing completely.
I don't like the fact that Ikem gave up the seat for his brother. He shouldn't have done that.
What did you expect him to do?
He should have stood his grounds and compete with his brother. He's a man.
Are you the one saying this? You should be happy for your nephew. Because he is the only eligible person after Ikem declined his throne.
My dear, talking about being happy, I'm not interested. We all know that Ikem is a very handsome, hardworking man, loved and admired by all the maidens in this village, including you, Ijoma. You love him.
Oh, yeah. Please, so count me out.
Don't pretend, my dear friend. I know you admire him. But you see, Ikem would have led this clan with so much humanity. Unlike his brother Afam.
Onyinye, you and Ikem.
I love him and that love stands.
What I love. I love. Please, let me help you.
Don't.
Okay.
Ikemefula is a wise man. He knew it is going to bring problem between him and his brother. So he gave up the position for peace.
Peace. If he were to be my husband or my brother, I would never allow him to make such a stupid decision.
Declare your intentions. I know you have eyes for him, but I'm sorry, you are not his type. He did the right thing. Yes, that shows he's blessed by the gods. Not everyone will do such. So I accord him some respect for such a decent attitude. That shows he is indeed a preacher of peace and unity.
Peace? Anugum, I have heard enough. Enough with this conversation. Tell us, what was the reply to Ugo?
What nonsense is that? We are here talking about the hero of Umuchima, and you are here asking me some unimportant questions. Are you stupid or something? Excuse me.
She has warned you severally to stop talking about Ugo. Yet, you continue talking about him. Now you've provoked her.
I'm sorry.
Egbe, nkiri ka na-ekiri mbara adịghị hụ mbara n'ike. Onye si ma ọ bụrụ ome gịnị? Udene si na nwa ya dị nwụrụ anwụ na ọ dị ya ma nke ga-epu ntutu n'isi na ya ọwa ezu udene. Ịgba nda, o rukwe ka o si eru arụpụ a n'afọ ndị mmụọ. Ya! Arụpụ a n'afọ ndị na-ejere ozi. O rukwe ka o si eru nwata nụọ ọgọ ṅụrụ mmiri. Ịgba nda.
Wise one, we the elders in council of Umuchima present to you and Ise Kamalu, the eligible son of Uzo, as the next Oyen of Umuchima.
It is only the mother hen that hatches the egg that knows which offspring that is the first. Uzo has 2 sons. Where is one?
Ikemefula declared his intention and interest and said that Kamefula here should be declared and crowned the onions of Umuchima Kingdom.
Must you be the one to answer? Look, must you be the one?
Shut up. This is just to cut the long story short. Let's proceed and crown him.
Olukwe Kosieru, Okirikirika na Buko Zadari Otu. Yeah. Achọ wife dị na na-ajụ ndị mmụọ. Achọ wife dị na na-ajụ ndị na-ejere ozi. Ịgbanda. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They know and understand what they will do. They are wiser than every one of us.
Wise one, what exactly are you trying to say? Please, speak to us in a language we will understand.
Afamefuna is not the first son of Uzo, and so doesn't deserve the position of leadership. Ikemefuna is.
Wise one, but he said he's not interested.
It's not all about what he wants, but the choice of the gods.
I don't understand. Even if he's older than me, he's still not interested.
Besides, Ikemefuna has made his decision and said we should crown him the Onyenze of Umuchima Kingdom. Besides, his mother was not the first wife of Uzo.
Look, are you disputing the words of example? Shut up! Shut up, you. Fight! I mean, yes.
You talk like the main mortal you are. He is the first son, and it is his right. It doesn't matter whose mother was married first. Yes, everything happened for a reason. Everything happened for a reason. Eba! Ibanda! Abia! What are you about?
Are you going to make that sense? Are you going to believe all that the chief priest have just said? Listen. Let him go back to the chief priest and tell him that he's no longer interested. Let the chief priest believe him.
He doesn't have a choice. He will do that, else there will be no peace between us.
I know his uncle, Nkemjika, is behind this. Because he's very desperate to let you become the next Onyes of this kingdom. But it will not work because I have everything under my control.
I am very angry right now. I am very, very angry now.
Those words from the chief priest are not good at all. Yes, he spoke of foul play, but honestly, I can smell the venom of a snake beneath those words.
Okonkwo, we need to be careful. We cannot just act impulsively.
The branch of the tree that will not bend for the wind, chances are that that branch will be broken by the wind. We must be very fragile. The same way we must be very rigid. We cannot allow them trample upon us as if we are ants. We cannot. We must act clearly. And we must be very strategic in our operations. Ejike, we must not allow our emotions to consume us. We must not.
You are right, Okonkwo. We need to plan. We cannot just speak without thinking. Yes.
Venom of a snake. Venom of a snake beneath those words.
I know you planned it. You planned it with the chief priest to proclaim you the next Onyenze of Umuchima.
Afamefune, why are you always finding fault in everything I do? When I made my declaration before the elders, did I look like someone who was playing or I was forced to do it?
Then go to the chief priest. Go to Isikamalo and declare that you are not interested.
If that will make you happy, I'll do it for the sake of our brotherhood.
You better do.
Iche, I do not want it. You people are forcing everything on me. I don't. Afam can take it. I don't want it. What is all this?
There is nothing anyone can do about it. The gods have chosen you, and that is final.
Chosen me against my wish? They should have known that I'm not interested.
You can't speak of such to the gods. They make decisions. You are Uzo's first son, and by right, the gods are choosing you to be the leader of Umuchima clan.
Oh, I think I know what to do. I do not need you or anyone else anymore. I think I will go to the shrine myself and tell the gods that I am not interested. Maybe they will hear me out. Because all I want now is peace in my father's house and nothing more. People should stop forcing all this on me. Stop it, I don't like it. You can't force me to do what I don't want to do. The gods must hear me on this one.
You can't take your position.
Isikamalo, the great gods of Umuchima clan. I am here to make a humble plea. Please allow my brother Hamefuna to become the next Onyenze of Umuchima clan, so that there can be peace in my father's household.
Ikemefuna, when a child knows how to cry, she hides. Whenever a corpse, when a woman insists on seeing the extremity of her womanhood, she must surely bury her head in the ground. The cooking pot for the lizard is same for the chameleon. Ikemefuna, you have been chosen by the gods, and there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Ezemo, I'm only pleading with the gods to accept my brother Afamefune as the next Onyenze of Umuchima.
Ikemefuna, the son of Uzo, the grandson of Ebubedike, the great-grandson of Obonanwa. You have no choice. You have no choice. Just go and prepare for your coronation ritual, for you are the chosen one.
Isi Kamalu, please, I'm pleading. Isi Kamalu, please, let my brother Famefune be the Onyeze. I am contented with everything you've done for me. Let him be the leader of Omochema clan. Please, I'm pleading. Isi Kamalu, Isi Kamalu, Isi Kamalu.
Ikem, what will you do now the chief priest is insisting?
Adora, I don't know. But I'll still maintain my stand. I want to live a normal life. I want to spend the rest of my life with the maiden that gladdens my heart.
Ikem, I understand. May the will of the gods be done. Why?
I don't care about what the God says. What matters to me is the happiness in my father's home.
I understand. May the will of the gods be done.
Now that the girls have made their choice, we have to follow it.
What choice are we still talking about? What choice? What other choice, Udoka? If not that the gods are choosing Ekemefula to be the next leader of Umuchima clan. That's all.
But he said he's not interested. So why not see reasons with him and give it to whom he wishes?
The same thing we're talking about. He doesn't want it. Why are we forcing him to choose or do what he doesn't want? Nobody's forcing anybody here. The gods have made their pronouncement before every one of us. Udoka, be careful. I'm warning you.
The wish of the god stands, and nothing more.
But
Ekemefuna will have to prepare himself for the ritual ahead. And the people are ready to receive their leader, and nothing more.
Exactly, Okorafo. You don't need to bother yourself. He's my nephew. Hand it over to me. I will prepare. It will never happen. He can never be in that position. Keep quiet there. He can never be. It will be. Enough. Look at this.
You're here to give me a positive response on what happened. You still have a choice to make.
What do you mean?
You have to choose between your woman and the leadership of this kingdom.
I have never been interested in being a leader. I have made my choice long ago. You can have the seat if you want. As for Adora, I love her and my words are final.
Then let the people know your decision.
What makes you think I have not done that? I have even pleaded with the gods, but they keep saying the same thing.
Let me marry Adora. Then you can have the leadership position.
Afam one name. You are free to be the Onyens of Omochema clan if you so desire. You can even meet the Ezemo. Maybe he will listen to you. But as for Adora, I am deeply in love with her and nothing will tear us apart.
Do not push me to the wall. You have 4 market days to make up your mind. Else, you will have me to contend with.
Your empty threats can never be an asunder to my love for Adora.
Wise one.
Afamefuna, the son of Uzo. Wepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọwa aka mmadụ.
What do you mean?
The God that decides to pay the lion a visit surely will not come back. Maka ọkpata nkụ ahụ si ngwere bịara ya ụgwọ, ọkpata nkụ ahụ si ngwere bịara ya egwu, onye isi kote Igbo ọgbakasị anya.
Wise one, you keep confusing me.
The crocodile that allows a bird to sing on its back is not mad. It's just that he is not hungry yet. Don't kindle the fire that will consume you. I have spoken.
It's obvious the girls have made their choice. Ifeoma, I know the choice pleases me, but the person in question here doesn't even notice me at all. After everything I've done for Ikem, he chooses a strange woman over me. That's so sad.
Is that what we should be talking about right now? We should be talking about Ikem rejecting the throne and the gods not choosing your nephew.
Ifeoma, if it pleases the gods, then so be it.
You're not even bothered. Now that he doesn't want it, what happens?
My dear, that is for the elders to decide, not me.
And what about your father? Because I learned you want your cousin to become the next Onyezi.
Ifeoma, I don't care. Please, can you just change the topic? Let's talk about something else.
Okay, I've heard you. It's okay.
The chief priest has never liked me. He knows the truth, but he's covering it up. I won't let that happen. I will look for other means to get what I want. Since Ikemefuna is truly in love with Adora, then I must be the leader. If they insist, then I will do otherwise.
Ejike, I am just coming from your house and I was told you are here. You have to leave the farm. We have to go back to your house, sit down and strategize. The time has come for us to take over the throne. Come.
Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna. Yes. Where has he gone to? Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna. Where is he? Where has he gone to? Where has he gone to? Ikemefuna. 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 It's not around. It's okay. Ikemefuna.
What have brought the elders to my father's compound?
We have come to take Ikemefuna to the shrine in preparation for his coronation as the Oyenzu of Umuchima clan. So tell us, where is he?
I have not seen him. Maybe he has gone to the farm without his so-called wife to be.
And why would he go to the farm today of all days?
I do not know. That's his decision.
It's alright. We want you to know that this is not good. Nevertheless, we shall send men after him and wait for him. You. Both of you go to the farm and search for him. Okay. When you see him, bring him here.
Okay. Shall we?
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
He's taking them, sir.
Okay, look at that.
Ichie, you could not find him. He is nowhere to be found.
This is my brother we are talking about. Are you sure you conducted the search well?
Yes, we did.
Could it be that he ran away? Because he does not want to be the Onyenze.
No, it's not possible. Ikemefuna cannot be a coward to run away from his responsibility. No.
You are right. Because it has never been heard that any offspring of this clan ran away as a means of avoiding to be the head of the clan. Anyways, we shall go meet the chief priest to know exactly what happened.
Oh, yes.
There will be no need for that. I will go and search for him myself. I'm a great hunter, and he's my brother. I know some places where I can search for him.
You go ahead with your search while we go and see the chief priest.
Exactly.
I will tell him.
All the Pakosiasi, the gods are wiser than men. Go home. Have your peace. When the time is right, your Onyenze will come back. Akati izwe, akate ebuo, nwata n'ogo ọṅụrụ mmiri. Iya, ekwere ekwu. Onye sị ma ọ bụrụ ome gịnị? Idem. You are the head of the elders. That's why I sent for you. The gods have brought back their offspring. He is safe.
You mean Ikemefuna is back?
Yes. Ikemefuna is back. The gods are preparing them for the leadership position of this clan.
This is good news.
Prepare the elders for the great celebration.
Where are they? We tied them here now. What do you mean by you tied them here?
Yes, we tied them here.
We tied them here.
Tied them.
That was how I planned the kidnap of my brother. I wanted to kill him. So unfortunate. The gods have to intervene and save him.
Ezemo, please. Afamefune is the only family I have. He is my only brother. Please. I am ready to become the Onyens of Omochema if that will restore his health.
Ebriog! Ọkwa ifunu si mme ka nna eme? Ọkwa ozuzu m ka nna eje? Ewosla echedoro onwe echetie na ọbụrụ okpokpo akịlịba. Ịgba nda! Onye mebie ndụ! Onye mebie ndụ! Chukwu oke abịa ma narị anya onye ọ na-agụ. Ọkụkọ na-eje ọrị na buf. O nwekwe ndị ga-eberi ya akwa. Ije! Orukwe ka o si eru. Maka na ọ bụ nkụrụtụ. Mbere nkụrụtụ. Orukwe ka o si eru. Yeah. My son, Isi Kamano, has forgiven and is now ready to listen to you plea. So long you are ready to become the Onyense of Omochim, they are ready to listen to you. Hey! Step forward. Ask for what you need from Isi Kamalo. Ask for what you need.
Isi Kamalo, the great gods of our ancestors. I, Ike Mefuna, son of Ozo, the grandson of Ebubedike, great grandson of Ogbonneanwaha. I have accepted to be the Onyenze of Omochema. Please, pardon and heal my brother. And I will serve you till the day of my death.